Welcome to another Shopee haul or another Shopee favorites haul. I have here the clothes I want to share with you, and I'm gonna try my best to try on portions throughout the video. And yeah, if you want to see what they are and how they look like, just keep on watching. I'm not gonna be showing you all of the clothes here because last Shopee haul I did tank tops. I'm actually wearing one of them, so if you want to see that, I'm gonna link it down below. I also have a Shopee playlist, so I'm gonna link it down below also kasi nandun din yung mga other purchases ko. So let's start with the first item. I'm gonna start with this white shirt. I think this is one of my favorite Shopee finds. I feel like this is the perfect white shirt. I also got it with this small nasa print on the side. They actually have like a bigger print yung nasa gitna, but gusto ko ng something simple, so this is what I opted for. I really like the fabric of this kasi the shirt is not too thin and not too thick, so perfect for the summer. So as you can see, hindi naman super halata yung undergarments ko when I wear this. I just need to wear the right ones when wearing this one. And I'm really surprised with the price kasi I got this for like less than 80 pesos. I think mga 75 to 79 pesos only, and maganda na yung quality. I really love the color of this one. I'm really particular with colors of shirts kasi ayoko yung naglulusen or nawawala sa shape, but this one, it maintains the shape of the neckline. By the way, with this top, I actually bought a black one, which is this one. So same shop lang to, same price. I think mga 79 pesos rin. And this one naman, again, I got it in black with a different print, and it says nice to meet you. So maganda rin yung quality, same lang. I just wanted a black one so that in case I didn't like the fabric of that one, meron akong nabiling black, pero I'm surprised na I like both very much. This one I got in a small naman because whenever I wear something black, I want something a bit tighter. Next top is this white button-down top. I used to wear this for my online classes because kailangan naka-white minsan. That was when I didn't have a uniform yet, so I really like the fabric of this. It's ribbed, and then yung sleeves niya medyo ruffled as well as the bottom, and ayan yung buttons niya. Okay siya. For me, it's a bit too sheer, pero it's not too sheer na super halata yung undergarments mo. You just need to wear the right ones. I feel like kapag white talaga, kailangan alam mo kung anong klaseng undergarments yung gamitin nyo. So, for me, dapat skin tone na bra, or with this one naman, I use a bralette. Sometimes I keep it open. I think I styled that in my previous lookbook, or sometimes I keep it closed like this, para normal shirt. So, you can style this in different ways, and comfortable pa yung fabric nito. Next top, we have this K-drama inspired top from It's Okay to Not Be Okay because I'm a big fan of that show. And it's just a really nice oversized top. This one is in a size small. So parang yung normal shirts na size. I don't even know if I'm making sense, pero medyo malaki siya. I like this for lounging around the house. Sometimes I wear this out. And sa same store, I also got the startup merch or the startup shirt that says Sandbox at the back. So obviously I love K-drama. I haven't seen a lot. I think I've seen like 10 or more. I don't know why, but I get so attached with K-drama characters. So yeah, napapabili talaga ako ng parang mga inspired items nila and all that stuff. It's Okay to Not Be Okay is one of my favorites because Kim Soo-yoon is, I think, my favorite K-drama actor. And also, right now, I'm watching Something in the Rain. And yeah, basta, if you have any K-drama recommendations, let me know down below. Because, I don't know, I feel like I wanna get into K-drama again during my summer break. Next top is this tie-dye top. And it's super comfy. This one naman, I think I got for around 50 pesos, 50 or 65 pesos, I forgot. But I really like the fabric of this. Super lambot niya, super nice to lounge around in, again, at home. Ako kasi usually yung nabibili ko sa Shopee recently, yung pambahay, like, eto, pwede kong i-wear out or pwede ko rin pambahay. So, yun yung mga binibili ko recently sa Shopee. Ito naman, matagal ko nang nabili sa Shopee. So, this one is actually a set wherein it has shorts. So, ito yung shorts niya. It looks like this. It's super tiny, so I can't wear this out at all. So, I just like wearing this as a pair at home. Pero for the top naman, I can wear it out, but not with the shorts. Maybe with high-waisted pants, ganon. But I love these so much that I had to buy like a similar top like this kasi super love ko yung pagka-crop nito. It's a bit too cropped and maganda yung loose na, what do you call this? Yung sa arms. Loose siya. So, comfy talaga siya, lalo na sa init ngayon. So, yun. Naghanap ako ng similar. And yung nahanap ko lang talaga is this top. So, it's not the same exact top. I like the fabric of this better, but I really like the cut of this better. I have this top. I think I got this from Abubot PH, and yung store talaga na yun, parating mali yung binibigay nilang colors. So, never na ako bumili ulit doon. Pero matagal ko na itong nabili, and I really love the cut of this. I think I bought a white one with polka dot. Anyway, they gave me a red striped one, and I have a similar one like this. Wait. See, I didn't want the same design as this one kasi meron na nga ako. Pero, yun nga, just beware if I recommend this shirt from that store. You might not get the design you want, but maganda yung quality ng shirts nila, maganda yung price nila. Pero, yun nga, baka mali yung order na ibigay nila sa inyo. Kasi, last time I bought like, how many items from them? Mga 5 ata, mga 6. Tapos, isang shirt lang yung tamang kulay. Yung iba, hindi na tama. Anyway, I really love the cut of this. It's super nice. I don't know what to say, but I feel like it gives you that shape you want. And maganda yung pagka-V nito. It's super comfy as well. I just really love the quality and how they made this. It's not too cheap looking. Meron akong other tops na binili sa kanila na madaling masira. Pero for this one, kahit ilang beses ko nasuotin, hindi pa rin siya nasisira. So, it depends din, actually. Medyo hindi consistent yung quality nila. And also, another top that I bought from Abubot PH. This one wasn't even the style I bought. Kasi I didn't want the one na adjustable. But this one is the adjustable one, and I'm really happy with this. I think this is one of my most worn purchases from them, even though I didn't really order it. And I think I ordered a different color as well. But I really like the style of this. And for this, it's a bit too sheer. I don't know if you can tell, pero I guess kapag dark yung color na kinuha mo, like I did, hindi naman siya super halata. Pero yun nga, medyo manipis yung fabric nila. But I don't know, I still really love this, especially for the summer. Hindi siya masyadong makapal. I also have this top. This is one of my favorite tops. It's really hard to wear though, especially if you're busty kasi medyo hindi tumatapat yung outline dun sa under ng bust nyo. I really love the style of this. It's a one piece or like a bodysuit, so it's gonna stick or it's gonna lay flat on your body if you tuck it in. So that's what I really love about this. I've styled this so many times with the skirt, with shorts, with pants, and all that. I just love this. You can also put it like off shoulder or like a simple ruched shirt. So ayan yung ruching sa sleeves niya and all that. I wear nipple covers with this one. The next shirt is this one. This is one of my favorite shirts. Sadly, it's not mine. It's my sister's. Sometimes I borrow it. I just love the fabric of this one. Again, it's a bit too sheer, so I would wear like a bralette with this one, a skin tone bralette or something. But I love the fabric. I'm planning to buy myself a shirt exactly like this, but in a purple one. And sometimes, iba yung mga nakasulat. This says Heaven Sent. I saw some na says Rock More. And meron silang gray, may purple, but yung sister ko got the blue one, and I just really love this. I really love the quality of this one. I can't describe clothes for the life of me. I'm so sorry. But all I can say is they're so comfy and they look really good on the body. This is also my sister's. The other sister ko naman. This is in a size small, and I'm planning to buy a similar one because I really love the look of sheer tops. So this one, maganda magsuot ng bralette underneath, especially for this dark type of animal print one. Maganda magsuot ng black bralette underneath. So that's what I did. But again, this has the parang usual design ng Shopee clothes na medyo ruffle or medyo ruffle ba? Ruffle yung sleeves and also the bottom. And yeah, I love this style of top. Next top is one of my favorites. I want a white one like this kasi this one again is something I borrow from my sister. I love the, what do you call this? Yung parang cinch, yung garter niya talaga dito. Kasi it really gives you that shape you need. And I really love the parang race car vibe that it gives with the print. Yung problem ko lang dito is yung color. So, yung color nga, medyo hindi siya maganda. I don't know how to describe it, pero hindi nagsistay yung shape niya. Yun lang yung problem ko with this. But overall, I really love the fit on this because it really just cinches in your waist. This one naman is a black cosmic shirt. Parang meron siyang beads na design. Tama ba? Ayan. And then, it's just a black crop top as well. It doesn't have the same cinching or garter at the bottom, but it's a really nice black crop top. So, it really gives you that illusion of curves, I guess. But yeah, I really love the fit of this. I really want like a similar top to this. Maybe a different design naman in the middle. And it's this black sheer sleeve top. So, ruching all over the top. Super stretchy na to. As you can see. My only problem is that sometimes medyo mahirap suotin yung sleeve, but kailangan patient ka lang. Kasi for me, parang madaling masira. Yung problem ko dito, medyo butas na yung sa underarms niya. But, hindi naman halata. Because it's really hard to raise your arms when wearing this. But it looks so good. And alam ko, nauso yung top na to for a while. And I just have the back one. Anyway, I guess that is it for the Shopee favorites haul. Please give this a thumbs up if you like. Comment below any other video suggestions, other Shopee products you want me to share with you. I plan to do like a workout one because I've been getting into workout stuff recently. And yeah, let me know. And please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. I'm trying to post every Monday and Friday, 5 p.m. this June and July. So, stay tuned. That is it, and I will see you on my next video, like I said. Bye!